a minute since I've been here in this studio, and although I'd like to think of myself as Studio 5's #1 fan from my couch at home holding the babe, there are still some things that I missed. So this week we're asking the Studio 5 team members to fill me in, starting with our creative contributor, Michelle Crowley. Okay, what did I miss?
So much.
A lot?
We've missed you.
Oh.
It's not the same without you.
You're so sweet. I feel
We're
that love.
so-
I'm
so
like
glad
honestly
you're back.
touched and overwhelmed by everyone's warm welcome.
Yeah,
but
everybody's so happy
there
to have
was
you
a
back.
moment I understand that you made a claim about a sofa table.
We did a really fun sofa table project.
Catch me up on this.
So we did a DIY. It was kind of a reincarnation of a project I'd done for a client. We DIY a long sofa table because sometimes you have a really, really long sofa and you need a really, really long table.
Okay.
Or you need like 3 end to end, and that gets really expensive and doesn't look so great.
Uh-huh.
So we did a DIY one out of metal piping, and she wanted a countertop.
Yeah.
So her kids could eat there,
Yeah.
in theory, instead of on the sofa.
Bar, yeah.
Yeah. And so we got a butcher block countertop and put it on.
Okay,
yeah.
we have a clip. Can we watch?
We can watch.
Let's watch.
These right here. Let me hold those for you. Oh. You know, it's
Now we're not gonna
TV.
hold them.
What a great idea.
Then I had another idea. Curtain rods, and then with a curtain rod, you have options in terms of color.
Oh, we're everything's
struggling
falling.
today.
It's fine.
I will
For
drill
the
it in,
final.
but that's it.
Look at that.
There we go. Now you can have it whatever length you want, because if you want it shorter, you can cut it down shorter. You can buy butcher block up to 10 feet long.
You made it look easy, even though we were dropping things.
We were dropping.
That's fine.
That was
what a
little
fun
mess.
idea.
Okay, that's genius.
Well, thank you.
Pipes.
And it's really easy to put together.
And what would you say cost-wise?
I'd say probably around $600. It's going to depend on how long of a butcher block you need, like how long of a space.
Yeah.
But probably butcher block was probably about 500 and pipes about 100.
I am so impressed. I've missed your creative brain. So more projects like that coming at us.
More projects like that.
All right, very fun. Thanks, Michelle.
Thank you.